This is undoubtedly the sharpest blade in the history of the blade forging competition. Even the judges can't help but keep playing with it. And its forger is a complete beast. Also the most wild handmade warrior the show has ever seen. Unlike other top bladesmiths who rely on machines, he relies entirely on hand hammers and brute force to earn applause and honors for himself in the blade forging world. Is Ryu. Faced with such a unique and highly skilled competitor, the show organizers naturally don't hold back. They directly bring out the most difficult to forge material, train spring steel for blade forging. For most competitors, this is a nightmare-like existence, let alone the fact that Ryu has never systematically learned how to use advanced blade forging machines. But even so, Ryu relies on his pair of powerful arms to straighten the spring steel by hand and breaks through the competition, earning the qualification to enter the finals. The show organizers announce that the final competition task is a Viking battle axe. This is a weapon known for its brutality, with complex craftsmanship and demanding techniques. So the show organizers give them 5 days to forge a finished product from scratch. They are to return to the competition venue in 5 days for the final test. The winner will earn the championship title and a $10,000 prize. Joey's blade forging workshop is well equipped and has many finished high carbon steels to assist. After stacking the high carbon steels, he puts them into the forge for heating. Once the temperature reaches the standard, he sprinkles flux and uses a power hammer for forging. The advanced equipment at home and the high quality steel all make Joey's work progress very smoothly. In contrast, Ryu, on the other side, is in a completely different world. He has no modern equipment, only an anvil and a rusty boiler. And this boiler is also homemade and very crude. What's even more surprising is that his blower is made from a hairdryer. One has to admit that this enigmatic man has truly amazing creativity. He uses an angle grinder to cut the high carbon steel while pouring coal to heat the furnace. But due to the oversized steel billet, Ryu has to continue cutting. After repeating this several times, the progress is very slow. So the next morning, Ryu upgrades his forge. The upgraded boiler does significantly increase the speed, but because of the heavy smoke, it actually attracts firefighters. Ryu has to explain a lot. Finally, the firefighters require him to move the forge away and sincerely hope that he can win the championship. On the last day, Ryu finally forges the axe blade. As for the axe handle, he also makes it entirely by hand. After completing these, a wild axe blade is successfully made. To increase his chances of winning, Ryu also spends the whole night polishing and grinding. 5 days later, the two competitors return to the competition venue again, ready for the final test. Only one competitor can win the championship, so will Ryu be the final winner?